All right, hey folks, after hours doing homework, this is a new tool I picked up called Tradytics.com. Not the easiest name in the world. Gosh, what is it with these names? Anyway, at least this one is shorter than the other one I complain about all the time. So I shared it as a link because that's the only way I could get you the discount. So I hit him up on Twitter. Somebody, a couple of members, actually 5 members came to me. Hey, have you checked out this one? It shows algo flow and options, live options flow and all of that. And I was like, whatever. And then finally somebody said, hit him up on Twitter. So I did. And they reached out. I said, open it up to me so I can play around with it, which I did yesterday. So I played around with it yesterday or 2 days ago and today. And today we put it live into the chat room, in the live chat room, and it yielded results. It also yielded results yesterday. So it's not a fluke, like 3 or 4. I can't remember. There was one with Roku yesterday. Today there was, I'll show you a picture of two of them. One with Tesla, one, gosh, Nick, you're getting old. I can't remember. I'll show you in a second. But here's the bottom line and the disclaimer. I get to play around with it for free. And I told the people who made the tool, I said, open it up and give me a discount for my people. So I will share the link either in the description or in some link above on YouTube if I can figure it out, or in both places. So click on the description if you don't see a pop-up on YouTube. And the link will take you to signing up with them, and you will get a 10% discount. I believe it applies to the monthly, and it also applies to the yearly. I don't know about the yearly, double check it. But who cares? This is a tool I would pay for. Like I've tried a couple of tools before, which I still use, but I would not pay for them if I had to pay the face value. This one is cheap enough that I saw tangible results that I could definitely justify paying for it just from active trading and research. I'm showing First Solar, I believe, and it is the basic. I wanted to see if I can chase it. So I clicked on a couple of settings, and there were a couple of concerning settings. One is a very short term, and this is a 30-minute setting, and it kind of says that the price action does not match the algo flow. So there's no matching exuberance from the algo flow. This is not a decision to short it or anything, but I was thinking if I can chase it, and this tells me, maybe you shouldn't. And then I looked at the chart. Yeah, I definitely shouldn't chase it, because it just ran 30% off the double bottom, and it's going into almost 50% from here and a level. So the algo flow thing told me maybe you should hold your horses. That's just one example. And look at the stuff it can do. This is insane. So if you want live option flow, you can get it. They even have a bullseye, which they show you stuff that they pick up on, like recent tops. These are somewhat longer term. I'm still learning this. So here's my strategy. I'm focusing on 2 things, and I'm going to beat them to death before I move on to something else. So if you want to watch their picks, you can go down here. I'm focusing on live option flow and options. So the live option flow will show me, you hear on CNBC, it's like there's a sweep, a call sweep on this, and a bullish block on that. This is where you can set it all up. You can have a watch list to where it only looks through certain tickers. Then I have a small watch list, so I can practice with a few tickers first. And then you put whatever filters, and now I have a couple of filters. So if I choose this one, it has the settings I like with this one. There's a latency there, and I have a super fast machine, so you're going to have to be patient. It's taking 1/1000 to 1000. Boom, now it's done. And I always add this one. Tell me what it really means, so I don't have to interpret it. And that is this guy. So it tells you what they think this inference means. So they tell you this is a sweep. If you only want to look at sweep, you look at sweeps and blocks. I can help you determine what a sweep is. It's just a big order that people are trying to hide, and they kind of distribute it. A block is somebody who doesn't care. Do you know about what they're doing? They're just taking a big order. And I have it set on, okay, now I just forgot my stuff. So I usually say, give me a short expiry, like near-term expiry. I don't want to look at something a month out. Over 1 million, so I want significant ones. So it only shows me over 1 million. If I just want to look at sweeps, I'll just look at sweeps. That way it ditches everything else. And this says whatever they interpret as being bullish or bearish. So that's one thing I'm focusing on. And the other one is the options, which is my baby, right? So how can I use the options? That's where we first started. Pretty slick tool. I barely scratched the surface, I swear. And just from when I used it, I would pay for it. It's like, more important than the cable bill at this point because of the stuff that I don't have visibility to. I don't have access to live option flow. I've seen companies that provide this one or that one or this one, but this has everything. I don't know how they do it. Like complex tools, I haven't even gone there. Yin Yang, Gambit, Backtester. It's funny, right? They even have artificial intelligence portfolio, crypto scan. I haven't gone there. I don't know what that Alpintra is. It sounds like it's option something. Sounds interesting. So pretty cool tool to have. I don't think they rope you into like a commitment because they have a 1-year commitment. That's pretty cheap. But I think you can pay month to month. Try it out. And if you don't like it, and SR levels. If you don't know how to get support and resistance levels, boom, at different iterations. So if you're trading intraday, go to a 1-minute flow. And if you see the algo flow explode and prices falling, take a long. That means price is an idiot. The algo says up and price is falling. That's divergence. You expect a turnaround. You can add this to it. If you're slightly swinging 2 weeks, you take a 15-minute look. So they're both so algo flow and price agree on 15. They disagree on 30. So that's reason for me to say, you know what? One of them disagrees. I can wait. Pretty cool tool. Anyway, somebody asked me to show me how to use it. I said, I don't know how to use it yet, so I didn't want to leave them hanging. I swear that's what... I told you, I showed you results. Hold on. So this is the chat room today, one of them. One of those charts is this one. So I said, tool said, sell here. And this is what happened. Forgot what ticker this is. Gosh, dang it. Was it Roku? Maybe it was CF. Oh, hot stock, right? So I look, so here, I did post it to show you that I wasn't cheating. Where is it? Sorry, there. Is that it? I don't know. I promise I posted it. Otherwise, I wouldn't post the after the fact. And I said, comment from earlier was to short CF based on the new tool. And this is what actually happened. I promise. I don't want to keep you here. I said it here somewhere. And it's the end of the day. I can't find it now. Oh, my gosh. Getting old. Oh, First Solar, looks like. That's another tool I discuss always. Okay, so I can't find it. I promise it's there. So there, I did it. You asked for it, and I did it. You guys get 10%. I asked for nothing. I don't know if they're going to spiff me on that. I'm not sure. I said, give me a discount code. They didn't. They gave me a link. I'm sharing the link. There you go. Enjoy it. Later, bye.